M2 on a very rare Scania OMNICity. Today on 1105 HW58 ARU. So 1105 is the Scania N270UD OMNICity.
I love it. I just love being outside.
So, features on board. We've got Go South Coast with Cats. Little Scania.
Your dad's gonna be in trouble. Because bullying me and posting them. Yeah. You've been reported twice, so, and it's one in quite serious.
So, the M2 runs every frequently from Poole Bus Station to Bournemouth Square into Southbourne Crossroads via Poole Hospital, Poole College, Upper Parkstone, Bournemouth, Boscombe, anyway you name it.
I don't want to be isolated at home. And then like my mum and dad don't want to be isolated.
This is an extreme rarity to see 1105 on a M2. I know I've seen some rainbows today when I was on my way from Swanage. I know. I love it how when it's raining whilst it's sunny. That sort of thing, yeah. I know, yeah. So I guess you live locally, sir?
Yeah, I live in Amworthy.
Really?
I live in Forest Nice. Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Look at this.
Look at that.
That is a full-size rainbow, isn't it?
Oh.
Look at that, full-size.
Yeah.
I just love rainbows.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Story in the Bible of Noah.
still raining as usual. So where are you off to today, sir?
Me? I'm
Yeah.
off to doing some gardening at Alexandra Park.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice!
that's if the weather is going to be dry.
Oh, well, hopefully the weather should dry up.
Yeah, there's a cafe there, I'm sitting there.
Yeah. I know.
Nice guy there. He's Italian.
Oh, really?
Lovely person, Ted.
Cool.
Yeah, it's a nice little cafe. Go and sit in there and have a coffee.
Ah.
Sit there, or get one in Ashley Road. I thought I could go to Ashley Road.
Oh, yeah, like Upper Parkstone.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I know Ashley Road. Yeah, I know that road quite well. Been on that road on the M2 towards Southbourne.
Oh, yeah, Southbourne's lovely.
Oh yeah, I took this bus all the way to Southbourne the other day, and it was quite nice.
Southbourne Crossroads.
Yeah, the crossroads. I normally get off at.
Sea there as well, the beach, isn't it?
Yeah, I normally get off at Fisherman's Walk.
Oh, the Fisherman's nice as well.
Yeah,
isn't it?
Fisherman's Walk. They often do that Shake and Stir Vintage Festival during, you know.
That's it. I never heard it.
Yeah, like the Shake and Stir Vintage Festival often happens during like June.
Thank you very much. There's some toilets down there, the bandstand.
Yeah.